The Homes 16 inches digital stand fan is a sophisticated and practical addition to any living room or bedroom. Designed by Homes, this floor fan comes in a sleek black color that easily blends in with any decor. Powered by a standard 120V outlet, this digital fan boasts a modern style that complements contemporary living spaces. Measuring at 24.6 inches in diameter, 17 inches in width, and 44 inches in height, the Homes 16 inches digital stand fan offers the perfect dimensions for both effective cooling and unobtrusive placement in any room. It is an ideal choice for those seeking a stylish and functional cooling solution. This stand fan comes with a range of special features that enhance its usability. The remote control allows for convenient operation from a distance, while the adjustable height and tilt options provide customizable cooling experiences. The built-in timer adds further convenience, and the oscillating feature ensures optimal air circulation throughout the room.
The 16 oscillating pedestal fan. Buy Easy Chill is a modern electric floor fan designed to enhance airflow and provide a cooling breeze in any room of your home. The fan's sleek white color and adjustable height make it a versatile and stylish addition to your living space. Measuring at 28 inches in diameter, 16 inches in width, and 48 inches in height, this fan offers a portable and lightweight solution for ventilating cooling and circulating air in your home. Its adjustable tilt feature allows you to direct the airflow precisely where you need it, while the oscillating function helps distribute cool air evenly across the room. With a noise level of 53 dB, this fan operates quietly, ensuring a peaceful environment while keeping you comfortable. Whether you're looking to stay cool during the hot summer months or improve air circulation throughout your home, the 16 oscillating pedestal fan by Easy Chill is a reliable and efficient choice for everyone looking to enhance their indoor comfort.
The Lasko Wind Machine Air Circulator Floor Fan, in its sleek white design, is a testament to Lasko's commitment to quality and innovation in the realm of electric fans. This contemporary floor fan, powered by corded electric, stands out with its practical dimensions of 7.19 inches in depth, 23.38 inches in width, and 25.38 inches in height. Whether it's for the bedroom, office, or home office, this fan offers versatility in its recommended room types, ensuring that you can enjoy its benefits in various settings. The manual controls make it easy to adjust settings to suit your needs, providing personalized comfort. One of the standout features of the Lasko Wind Machine Air Circulator Floor Fan is its quiet operation, emitting only 35 dB of noise. This makes it ideal for use in environments where noise levels need to be kept to a minimum, while still benefiting from cooling, ventilating, and air circulation. In conclusion, the Lasko Wind Machine Air Circulator Floor Fan combines functionality.
The Drio fan for whole room offers exceptional performance with its 70 feet powerful airflow, making it a top choice for anyone looking to enhance air circulation in various room settings. Designed with a modern touch, this black table fan from Drio boasts a sleek look that complements any environment seamlessly. The fan's corded electric power source ensures consistent and reliable operation, ideal for extended use in spaces such as offices, kitchens, bedrooms, living rooms, dining rooms, and even children's nurseries. This versatility makes it a practical addition to any household, providing cooling, ventilating, and drying functions effortlessly. One of the standout features of the Drio fan is its remote-controlled capability, allowing users to conveniently adjust settings from a distance. The inclusion of a timer further enhances its usability, enabling users to program the fan to operate according to their schedule. With an adjustable tilt of 120 degrees and oscillating function,
the Lasko Oscillating Pedestal Fan is a stylish and practical addition to any room in your home. With its sleek Art Deco design and classic black color, this floor fan seamlessly fits into any modern living space. Measuring 20.5 inches in diameter and 54.5 inches in height, it provides effective cooling and air circulation ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or home offices. One of the standout features of this fan is its adjustability. The adjustable height and tilt functions allow you to customize the airflow to suit your needs precisely. This flexibility ensures that you can enjoy a comfortable environment tailored to your preferences. Despite its powerful performance, the Lasco oscillating pedestal fan operates at a noise level of 61.6 dB, ensuring that it effectively cools your space without creating a disruptive atmosphere. Whether you are relaxing, working, or sleeping, this fan offers both functionality and peace of mind. In conclusion, the Lasco oscillating pedestal fan